snow in my eye. March 3rd, 2012, Hurricane Ridge. And we got flurries. People up there snowboarding, skiing. Lots of white stuff. Snow-covered treetops. Same place as last time. This time we have some snow spikes. And I think today we could have used snowshoes. Judging by my foot just went about 2 feet in the snow. So, keep you posted on some activities. Nita's got her new woolly hat on. We got our gaiters on today. And we'll see how far we can get in this mess. Heading our way back to the warmer spot. Snow's coming down. So last time we were here, we were like, okay, we don't need any snowshoes. This time, to my waist almost. Well, there's a road tight corner turn right there. So that sign's normally about 7 feet in the air. So we're flying. We're going to try to navigate that narrow path in this soft stuff. And it looks like it's ready to avalanche. So there's a ledge there. So if we're gonna fall, we're gonna aim for the gully. Okay. Aim for the gully. Okay, we're good. Wolf Creek trail sign. Doesn't look like we're going to be going that way. It's pretty powdery. All this fresh stuff. Park's been closed all week due to snow. Someone built a snowman. Not very good views today. Kind of overcast. Scattered snow showers. Some scenery over here. Our makeshift picnic area. You'll see we were real badasses going down the hill. But we were not going uphill. No. Gotta take a break. And it's snowing. Okay, this bend in the road, give you an idea of how much snow is there. That gully is where the road is, probably another foot or so under that. Pretty crazy. Nice and sunny over there. Not so sunny here. Got snow galore. And we're making our uphill battle back to the car. Got snot in my mustache. So, we're going to take a picture of this sign so we can kind of get an idea, compare it with the last video, of how many more feet of snow there is. So, I think last time this was, I don't know, about 6 feet in the air maybe. We'll check it out, we'll compare it. Oh, that didn't work. It's a little powdery. That's a lot of calories right there. You bring snow cone flavor? Make yourself a little snow cone. Let's go check out the snowman. How long have you been here today?
About 25 minutes.
Oh, you enjoying your stay?
Yes, I am.